Hello, just thought I would tell you about the last spraying job of 2020, which I've been doing today. So I'm in a field of oilseed rape here, quite a big field, about 35 hectares, and it's got a lovely take of oilseed rape. It was one of the first pieces we planted right back in August, and it has got quite a lot of mustard in it, as you can see, and we actually planted this, so the mustard was put in here. And the mustard is the taller stuff, so you can see the oilseed rape in the bottom, and then there's all these taller plants. The mustard was put in as a companion crop, and we put that in to confuse the cabbage stem flea beetle to help the rape to establish. And it worked really well. With hindsight, we might not have needed the companion cropping because the flea beetle pressure actually wasn't very high this year, and so it was perhaps done unnecessarily. But anyway, having got the crop to establish, we then have to kill the mustard because if we don't, it'll contaminate the crop. And we used, this is actually a Clearfield variety of rape, which means we can use a special chemical about 6 to 8 weeks after the rape is established to kill off quite a lot of the broadleaf weeds, including the mustard. But it didn't really work. The mustard got too big. A lot of it was just beginning to flower. So it was too much for that Clearfield chemical to tackle. A lot of the plants were sensitized and weakened, so some of them are pretty nearly dead, like this one here. But then others have got some green leaf. Now cold frosts are a really good way of helping to control mustard. It doesn't like frost, especially when it's sensitized with the herbicide. But to be sure that the mustard is taken out, I've used a chemical called Fox today with an adjuvant oil. I've used 50 litres of product on this big field, and then with a lot of water, quite a high water rate. And the conditions are just perfect because you need cold weather with frost coming on, not much rain. So hopefully it'll work. If it doesn't, we've got a big pile of useless crop at the end because you can't clean mustard out of oilseed rape. So I'm really hoping it will work. But I picked today to be the perfect day, no wind, frost coming, to get the Fox to work and kill the mustard. So we'll wait and see.